Good morning and welcome to Resilience Ridge. As usual, I am easily entertained for entertainment purposes only. Resilience is something that we build little by little, day by day. Put on your Wonder Woman bracelets or your Superman cape. Have a giggle about it. And also take in how simple and how important it is to have our boundaries when you know things aren't fair, aren't right, are against the laws of civil society, against the laws of nature, against the laws of love and kindness. Hold yourself with your Wonder Woman bracelets, your Superman capes. Give yourself a hug, because all of us are asked to go above and beyond the call of duty. And as this sun rises today, as spring has arisen in the full aspect of bringing new life, new growth, can you hear the turkeys in the background? The birds. The breeze is blowing. Birds are waking up. And so are our spirits, and so is our desire for peace and love and harmony. Peace and love and harmony with justice, kindness, and respect, and healthy boundaries. Giving people space to heal at the same time. It's a delicate daily balance. Flying around in this obstacle course of life. But it's beautiful at the same time and magical. And allow that love and that peace. Today, there'll be many people around the world focusing on peace, love, unity, and respect. Shine your light all over the world today. Bring that light out. And allow all the places that are hurt to be healed as we all move forward together. Healing those spaces might just become second nature. The sun's starting to peek through a little bit. Good morning. Again, here comes the sun yet again. Much love, happiness, and I hope you find some pure joy and healing for yourself today. Build your resilience.